After 40, belly fat can begin to feel different. Your weight may barely change, yet your waist becomes softer, your clothes fit tighter, and the fat around your middle seems far more stubborn than it used to be. That is because some fat is not sitting just beneath the skin. Visceral fat collects deeper inside the abdomen, surrounding vital organs and affecting how your body handles blood sugar, inflammation, and energy. But here is the good news. Visceral fat is not permanent, and reducing it does not require a punishing diet built on tiny portions, expensive products, or constant hunger. The everyday foods you repeatedly choose can make the process easier by improving fullness, supporting muscle, slowing digestion, controlling cravings, and helping you replace the refined snacks and oversized meals that quietly encourage abdominal fat storage. Today, we are counting down 9 everyday foods that can support visceral fat reduction after 40. None of them will magically melt fat from your stomach, and no single ingredient can replace an overall healthy lifestyle. Their real power comes from helping you consume more fiber, obtain enough protein, control your appetite, protect lean muscle, and maintain a healthier calorie balance without feeling constantly hungry or deprived. Stay until the end, because the final food is inexpensive, available almost everywhere, and surprisingly helpful when afternoon or nighttime cravings begin. As you listen, do not feel pressured to add all 9 foods immediately. Choose 2 or 3 that fit naturally into your routine. Then use them to replace foods that leave you hungry, increase your cravings, or add hundreds of calories without providing lasting satisfaction. Soluble fiber and lasting fullness. Oats contain soluble fiber, which absorbs water and forms a thick gel-like substance inside the digestive system. This slows digestion and can help your breakfast keep you satisfied for longer. After 40, this becomes especially valuable because a filling morning meal may reduce constant grazing, sugary cravings, and the unnecessary calories that quietly accumulate throughout the afternoon and evening. One of the simplest ways to use oats is to prepare a bowl with plain rolled oats, milk or unsweetened yogurt, cinnamon, and a handful of berries. This combines slow-digesting carbohydrates with protein and fiber, instead of beginning the day with pastries, sweetened cereal, or white toast. The goal is not to remove carbohydrates completely, but to choose carbohydrates that provide energy while making appetite and portions easier to control. Pay close attention to what you add to your bowl. Oats can support a healthier waist, but large amounts of honey, sugar, chocolate spread, granola, and oversized spoonfuls of nut butter can quickly turn them into a calorie-heavy dessert. Keep the base simple. Use fruit for natural sweetness, and measure energy-dense toppings. A balanced breakfast should leave you comfortably full, not overloaded or searching for another snack 1 hour later. Plant protein and powerful fiber. Beans and lentils provide 2 important nutrients in one inexpensive everyday food: protein and fiber. Together, they slow digestion, add volume to meals, and help you feel satisfied without relying on large portions of refined starch or fatty meat. This is especially helpful after 40, when protecting muscle while gradually reducing excess calories becomes more effective than simply trying to make your body weight fall as quickly as possible. Add lentils to soups, mix chickpeas into salads, or replace part of your rice with black beans, kidney beans, or white beans. You do not need complicated recipes or unusual ingredients. Even one small daily substitution can make lunch or dinner more filling. When beans replace fries, creamy side dishes, processed meat, or oversized servings of white bread, the entire meal becomes easier to manage without feeling like restrictive diet food. If beans cause bloating or digestive discomfort, begin with a small portion and gradually increase the amount over several weeks. Rinsing canned beans can also remove excess sodium and some of the liquid that may bother sensitive stomachs. The mistake is eating a huge serving once, feeling uncomfortable, and giving up. Your digestive system may need time to adapt, and increased fiber intake should always be supported by drinking enough water. Convenient protein and appetite control. Plain Greek yogurt provides a generous amount of protein in a quick food that requires no cooking. Protein becomes increasingly important after 40 because it supports muscle maintenance and produces a stronger fullness signal than many refined snacks. Greek yogurt does not directly burn visceral fat, but it can reduce hunger and help protect the lean tissue you want to preserve, while gradually lowering overall body fat. Choose plain Greek yogurt and add your own berries, cinnamon, chia seeds, or a small amount of chopped nuts. Many flavored yogurts appear healthy because their packaging mentions fruit or protein, but some contain enough added sugar to behave more like dessert. The useful habit is not simply buying yogurt. It is using yogurt to replace cookies, cakes, ice cream, or a sugary afternoon snack that provides calories without controlling hunger. Full-fat, low-fat, and fat-free Greek yogurt can all fit into a healthy eating pattern, but the best choice depends on your total diet and the serving size you enjoy. A fat-free yogurt that leaves you unsatisfied may send you searching for more food, while a huge bowl covered with granola can become extremely calorie-dense. Focus on plain yogurt, a sensible serving, and nutritious toppings that improve the meal without hiding large amounts of sugar. Natural sweetness with valuable fiber. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries offer fiber, water, vitamins, and colorful plant compounds in a naturally sweet package. They can satisfy your desire for sweetness with far fewer calories than cakes, sweets, or sugary drinks. Their real value for reducing visceral fat comes from helping you build a higher fiber eating pattern that controls cravings and remains enjoyable enough to maintain over time. Use berries during the times when cravings normally appear. Add blueberries to oats in the morning, mix strawberries into Greek yogurt in the afternoon, or keep frozen berries available for a simple evening snack. Frozen berries are often more affordable, last longer, and remain easy to portion. When a sweet food contains water, fiber, and requires chewing, it affects fullness very differently from drinking sugar or eating a dessert that disappears within minutes. Do not assume that every product containing berries provides the same benefits. Berry juice, sweetened dried fruit, muffins, jams, flavored yogurts, and fruit syrups can contain much more sugar and far less fiber than whole berries. The closer the food remains to its original form, the more useful it becomes for appetite control. Choose fresh or frozen berries most often, and allow your taste buds to gradually become more sensitive to their natural sweetness. High volume with very few calories. Broccoli allows you to eat a generous amount of food while consuming relatively few calories, and it also provides fiber, vitamins, and protective plant compounds. This high volume is useful when reducing visceral fat, because lowering calories becomes much easier when your plate still appears abundant. Broccoli also requires chewing, slows the meal, and gives your brain more time to recognize that your stomach is becoming full. Try filling a large section of your dinner plate with steamed, roasted, or lightly stir-fried broccoli before adding your protein and carbohydrate. Season it with garlic, black pepper, lemon, paprika, or herbs, and use a modest amount of olive oil. Healthy eating often fails when vegetables are treated like punishment. When broccoli tastes enjoyable and appears inside a satisfying meal, it can naturally reduce the amount of pasta, rice, bread, or fried food you consume. The cooking method can completely change the nutritional result. Deep-fried broccoli, heavy cheese sauces, creamy dressings, and excessive amounts of oil can add more calories than the vegetable helps you remove. This does not mean broccoli must be plain, dry, or tasteless. It means flavor should be added intentionally. Use enough seasoning to enjoy it, measure oils rather than pouring freely, and allow the vegetable to replace part of the calorie-dense food on your plate. Protein, omega-3 fats, and muscle support. Salmon provides high-quality protein together with beneficial omega-3 fats, making it a valuable food for supporting muscle and overall metabolic health after 40. One of its greatest advantages is what it can replace. A serving of salmon with vegetables may take the place of fried fast food, processed meat, or a heavy takeaway meal that delivers many calories while leaving you hungry again surprisingly quickly. Bake, grill, or air-fry salmon with lemon, garlic, paprika, and herbs. Then serve it with broccoli, leafy vegetables, beans, or a moderate portion of whole grains. You do not need to eat salmon every day, and frozen fillets are often more affordable than fresh ones. The goal is to create a protein-rich dinner that is convenient and enjoyable enough to compete with ordering pizza, burgers, or fried food after a tiring and stressful day. Remember that salmon is nutritious but still contains a meaningful amount of calories, particularly when it is covered with butter, sugary glaze, creamy sauce, or excessive oil. A sensible portion can support your goals, while an enormous restaurant serving accompanied by fries may not. Visceral fat responds to your overall calorie balance, So healthy fats work best when they replace less nutritious calories rather than being added on top of everything else. Affordable protein and stronger fullness. Eggs are compact, inexpensive, and rich in high-quality protein, making them useful for controlling appetite and supporting muscle after 40. Breakfast is often a missed opportunity because coffee, sweet cereal, or white toast may feel light but leave you hungry soon afterward. Eggs provide a stronger nutritional foundation, particularly when they replace pastries, sugary breakfast foods, or sandwiches loaded with processed meat and heavy sauces. Build your breakfast around 2 eggs with vegetables, a piece of whole grain toast, or a serving of fruit. You can also add extra egg whites when you want more protein without greatly increasing the meal's calories. Eggs are valuable because they are extremely flexible. Boiled eggs can be prepared in advance, scrambled eggs take only minutes, and an omelet can help you use leftover spinach, mushrooms, tomatoes, or peppers from your refrigerator. Eggs cannot cancel the effects of everything else served with them. Frying them in large amounts of butter, adding several slices of processed meat, and eating them with oversized portions of white bread can change the meal completely. Think of eggs as the protein anchor, then surround them with vegetables, fruit, or whole grains. This balanced combination is more likely to control hunger, protect muscle, and support a gradual reduction in waist circumference. Healthy fats and a satisfying crunch. Almonds and walnuts provide unsaturated fats, fiber, plant protein, and a texture that can make a small snack feel satisfying. They are especially useful when your usual choice is chips, biscuits, or sweets, because a measured portion takes longer to chew and can control hunger more effectively. Nuts also make healthy eating more enjoyable, which matters because a joyless diet rarely lasts long enough to create meaningful changes in visceral fat. The most important word when eating nuts is portion. They are nutritious, but their calories accumulate quickly when you eat directly from a large bag without paying attention. Place a small handful in a bowl, close the package, and eat them slowly. You can also add a few chopped nuts to oatmeal or Greek yogurt for extra texture, but avoid combining several calorie-dense toppings at once. Healthy foods still require reasonable portions to support fat reduction. Choose unsalted or lightly salted nuts most often, especially when high blood pressure or water retention is a concern. Honey-coated, chocolate-covered, caramelized, and heavily flavored varieties can transform a healthy snack into candy with a nutritional image. The strongest strategy is substitution. Replace processed snacks with a measured portion of nuts. Adding nuts while continuing to eat all your usual snacks will increase calories rather than improve your eating pattern. Portable fiber and effective craving control. Apples combine water, chewing, natural sweetness, and soluble fiber in an affordable food that is available almost everywhere. They are particularly helpful before the time of day when your appetite normally becomes difficult to control. Eating an apple during the late afternoon can reduce intense hunger before dinner, making it easier to prepare a sensible plate instead of arriving at the table ready to eat everything you see. Keep the skin on after washing the apple carefully because much of its fiber and many of its plant compounds are found close to the skin. Pair your apple with plain Greek yogurt or a small portion of almonds when you need a more complete snack. This combination adds protein or healthy fat, extends fullness, and can help carry you between meals without the rapid rise and fall in appetite, commonly caused by sweets, biscuits, or sweetened drinks. Whole apples are much more useful for controlling hunger than apple juice because chewing slows your eating speed and the natural fiber remains intact. Apple pie, sweetened applesauce, caramel apples, and apple-flavored snacks belong in a completely different category, even when the word apple appears on the label. Use the fruit in its simplest form. It may not seem dramatic, but simple foods repeated consistently often produce the most dependable long-term results. These 9 foods work best as a team rather than as isolated fat-burning tricks. Oats, beans, berries, broccoli, and apples increase your fiber intake. Greek yogurt, salmon, and eggs provide valuable protein. Almonds and walnuts add satisfaction and can replace highly processed snacks. Together, these foods create meals that are more filling and nutrient-dense, making it easier to reduce calories without spending the entire day fighting hunger and cravings. A practical week might include oats with berries for breakfast, lentil soup for lunch, eggs with vegetables on another morning, salmon with broccoli for dinner, Greek yogurt during the afternoon, and an apple with a few almonds when cravings appear. You do not need all 9 foods every day. You need a repeatable pattern in which nourishing foods gradually replace the choices that keep your appetite high and your daily calorie intake difficult to control. Food is only one part of reducing visceral fat after 40. Regular walking, strength training, adequate sleep, stress management, and sensible portions all send important signals to your body. Protein helps protect muscle, but your muscles also need regular movement and resistance. Fiber improves fullness, but calories still matter. The strongest results appear when these habits support one another, instead of expecting one special ingredient to perform all the work. Now tell me in the comments, which of these 9 foods do you already eat every week, and which one will you add first? Your answer may help another viewer discover a simple place to begin. And if this video made visceral fat loss feel clearer and more realistic, subscribe to Healthy Grams and turn on notifications for more everyday foods and practical habits that support a healthier waist, stronger body, and better metabolism after 40. Remember, your body did not change because you failed. After 40, the signals affecting muscle, appetite, activity, and fat storage can shift, but your daily choices still have power. Start with one better breakfast, one smarter snack, or one additional fiber-rich dinner. Repeat that choice until it becomes normal. Visceral fat is not reduced by one extreme day. It is reduced by the healthier pattern you continue returning to week after week.